Our next featured fruit is Dole Chef-Ready Cuts Diced Apples. There's a multitude of apple varieties out there to choose from, but I think one of the most versatile is Granny Smith, which is the variety you'll find in the Dole Chef-Ready Cuts line. It provides that balance of sweet and tart that plays well with savory flavors, which you won't find in some of your sweeter apple varieties. Let's make an apple citrus slaw. We're going to start with 2 cups of our Dole Chef-Ready Cuts diced apples, which I've allowed to thaw for 15 minutes and drain the juice. Then we'll add 3 cups of julienne jicama, apple cider vinegar, and avocado oil. Then we'll add 2 cups of purple cabbage. I'm going to toss everything together so it's evenly mixed and distributed. Then you want to allow that to sit for about 30 minutes to marinate. This dish is another great example of a versatile menu application. You can add this to your menu simply on its own, or as a side dish option for an upcharge, or pair it with entrees like fried fish, a grilled pork chop, or a shrimp dish. It also makes for a unique and flavorful addition to a pulled pork or chicken sandwich. If you are using this slaw for a sandwich, you're going to want to add some creaminess with either a mayo or yogurt. Another reason I prefer the Granny Smith variety is that it gives you the option to really play up either the sweet or tangy flavor. For sweet applications like pies and baked goods, you'll want to pair with warming flavors like cinnamon and clove. Whereas if you're going for a savory application, spices like chili and za'atar make for a unique and balanced flavor profile. If you're looking for more menu inspiration, head to dolefoodservice.com. I'll see you next time for our feature on Dole Chef-Ready Cuts Diced Peaches.